Okay, so one thing that makes students a little bit nervous each year is lighting a Bunsen burner. So right here we have a Bunsen burner and we have different parts of it. This part right here is called the barrel. We never want to carry the Bunsen burner from place to place by the barrel, because if we do, it could be hot and then we would burn ourselves, spook ourselves, and it would be a bad situation. Down here we've got the collar, and what we're going to do is adjust the airflow by turning the collar, so that's going to let more or less oxygen in depending on if we open or close it. And then down here at the bottom we have the gas knob. This gas knob is going to adjust the amount of gas that is going through the Bunsen burner. So if you open it, more gas comes through, and if you close it, less gas comes through. Down here is the base. The base is where we are going to put our hands when we carry the Bunsen burner from place to place. Now there is a little spot here where the hose connects. All of our Bunsen burners are going to have the hoses pre-connected. They're going to be connected to the Bunsen burner, but they are not going to be connected to the main gas line. So you're going to take the loose end of your hose, and what you're going to do is you're just going to place that onto this main gas line. And to turn the gas on, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this lever is parallel to that gas outlet valve. Okay, when we're getting ready to light our Bunsen burner, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the gas on at the Bunsen burner itself. So how do we do that? We turn this little knob at the bottom clockwise, and we do that until we can hear gas. Then we're going to use our striker to strike the flame. Okay, now what you see here is a flame that is yellow-orange. What we're going to use most of the time in this class is going to be a high energy flame, so we should see a blue flame with what is called a blue inner cone. How do you achieve this? You add oxygen. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn the collar down here counterclockwise, and that's going to let more air flow through the Bunsen burner. And what you can see is that yellow color is going away, and we're starting to see that flame turn a little bit more blue. Now, it's kind of hard to see because the lights are a little bright, but what we can see up from this angle a little bit better is that there is an outer cone and there's a light blue inner cone. The inner cone should be about 3 fingers high. We don't want to reach our fingers in to test that theory. We just can put them somewhere near the flame, and at a safe distance we can make sure that it's about 3 fingers high. After you have this blue flame with a blue inner cone, you can conduct your experiment, and then the time that you're done with the experiment, you're going to make sure that you're not reaching across the flame, and you're going to go back to this main gas line, and you're going to turn the lever perpendicular to that gas outlet, and that's how you're going to shut your Bunsen burner off. Then you're going to reset the Bunsen burner so that it's all ready for the next group. How do you do that? You're going to turn this collar clockwise until it shuts. Once it shuts, you're going to do a half turn or a quarter turn counterclockwise, which is going to allow some oxygen to flow through so that the next group can actually light it. Then we're going to go ahead and close the gas completely by turning that gas knob counterclockwise. That's it.